Through all those times I felt the happiness with you, even though you never felt the same way too. It's not that I didn't know what you felt in your heart, 'cause I felt it too. Letting go, letting you leave it all behind is something I'll never get used to. And it hurts to know that you may never look my way again. Why didn't you tell me what held you back? Did you ever think of everything I'd feel? You fell for me and said I had your heart, but you just let me fall, never trying to catch me at all. Should I hate you and try to just forget? Should I blame myself and live with this regret? If I could only do it all again, I would turn back time, back when I was yours and you would still mine. Sana'y narinig sa iyong labi, di ganun iyong nadarama sa'kin. Hinayaan mong pusong nahuhulog at nasasaktan na nga ngayon. May magagawa pa ba? Malilimot pa bang mga sakit? Nagkulang ba di nadama ang pag-ibig? Kung may babalik ang nagdaan nung ako'y iyong angkin, at ako'y mayroon ako at ikaw pa rin. Since you decided to walk out the door, I won't question your choice anymore. Just please don't ever look my way again. I'll try to hold in the tears with a smile. I hope that it could last me a while, watching all of these fading memories. And it's finally clear to me, we were never meant to be. 사랑의 충격하지